Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. I think it's worth doing a GALA video here early today because GALA broke below the ascending trend line. If you followed the previous videos, then you know that this was something to watch for, because while we can give GALA the chance to rally in a third wave with a target of around 4 cent next, we said it might take a little while, because while we have a 5-wave move to the upside of the June low and a potential 3-wave pullback into the support area, I did move it further to the right hand side. Now it was earlier here, so we had a setup that was already successful, but we said, look, this was not a very clear 3-wave move down, and the move up looked like another 3-wave move. So we typically have to expect a C wave to the downside, but cannot confirm that this is happening until we break below the trend line. This seems to be happening now for a potential 5-wave move down in wave C and another retest of the yellow support area. So that means we could finally wrap this up in the coming weeks, but price now looks like it needs to come down further to test the yellow box. Yeah, can you see that we broke the trend line to the downside? We had a very valid trend line, 3 to 4 touch points. It now broke, failed in resistance. Yes, we had a brief break above resistance, but not a sustained break. I always emphasize the need for a sustained break to really have a valid breakout, which means, okay, a break above resistance, for example, and a consolidation above the same didn't happen. We had a break and failed straight away. And you can see how relevant the resistance area was, because the price did slow down. So these Fibonacci resistance areas typically give us a warning that, or at least give us a hint that price should slow down in these boxes. And now I'm watching forward to a drop, ideally into the region between 2.33 cents and 2.03. Only below 2.03 cents, we have to talk about a failure of the overall bullish scenario here. Yeah? Bear in mind, I'm not super confident about this count. That's why I only gave it a yellow box. A lot of altcoins have yellow boxes because it's only a diagonal to the upside. If this was an impulse, I would give it a green box, higher confidence, okay? Just that diagonals always need to prove themselves, really. Yeah, the problem was that the move up was a clear 3-wave move, possibly an overshooting B wave. So the move down in the C wave should unfold as a 5-wave move, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And we can also measure targets with Fibonacci extensions. So if we say, look, we had an extension level here, for example, the wave A, then we go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking for key targets, Fibonacci extension levels between the 1-to-1 ratio and the 1.618 extension. Then you can see that this pretty much overlaps with the yellow support area anyway, around 2.3 cents and 2.03. So looking forward to a bit of a decision there in the next few days maybe. And let's see if we can get that wrapped up with a retest of the yellow box, in which case the setup would get valid again, yeah, and still be relevant for a continuation in a third wave rally to the upside to around 4 cents. But first of all, we need to wrap up this correction. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.